Hey chickies, thanks for hanging out for a few minutes today. We're going to be unboxing the April BOXYCHARM. This is the $25 a month monthly subscription inside your guaranteed 5 full-size items. So I hope you'll join me for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. So I just received this the other day. I did take like a little sneak peek. This is their base box, which is essentially $25 a month. You're always guaranteed 5 full-size items, which I think is such an incredible deal. Let's go ahead and open it. Just to let you know, this box was sent to me courtesy of Boxycharm. I have been pretty happy with the items inside Boxycharm, and you guys know if I don't like an item, if it doesn't work out for me, I always give you the lowdown on it. So they always include a postcard. I know last month a lot of people were commenting that they didn't have a postcard. I hope this month Boxycharm includes a postcard because it gives you a rundown on the items in the box. It also gives you the retail value. What's this? Oh, makeup eraser. So you can actually get 20% off your purchase on the makeup eraser on makeuperaser.com using code BOXY20. So I've never actually tried the makeup eraser. I have seen reviews on it and I've always been curious about it, so maybe I will check this out. First thing we have here, which I did rave about in my March obsessions, it's the Benefit Professional Pore Primer. It's a smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. This is like an OG product from Benefit. What is the retail value of this? $32. It's actually what I'm wearing today underneath my makeup to fill in the pores, my enlarged pores on my nose and also on my forehead. So this is pretty cool because it is a full-size product and now I have a backup of it. So next in here we have some brushes. Ooh, these look pretty. They're from the brand Lavish. They're very colorful. We have all of these really nice, precise brushes. A 5-piece neon eye brush collection. A cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. This retails for $29.99. I absolutely love small little detail brushes like this. I have this small little shader brush. You have an angled brush with a spoolie. I don't think I would use this on my brows. I like my angled brushes to be a little bit more dense. We have an eyeliner brush. This one is an eye shading brush. And then we have a pencil brush. Okay. I know we're going to be using these today from the brand Iconic London, and this is an illuminator in the shade, just says original. This is a concentrated liquid shimmer, can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow, and this retails for $41. Ooh, okay. This looks very, very pretty. And next in the box, we have some gel eyeliners from the brand Illuminati. The gel paint in electric pink. Wow, this is bright, super bright. Yeah, it's electric blue. Electrify your look with this gel paint in electric pink and electric blue. Wing it out for a dramatic look or pop it in the inner corner of your eye for a bold look. And this retails for $42. I wonder if these are like smudge proof. We'll let it marinate for a bit and then we'll see if it'll actually stay put once it kind of dries. Then last but not the least, we have from the brand Zoeva. I've never tried anything from Zoeva. This is their Caramel Melange. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm really excited about this palette. Love the packaging on this. It's gorgeous, right? Let you have the first look. Is it pretty? Ooh, that is! Oh my goodness. These are beautiful, stunning shadows. The Zoeva eyeshadow palette offers a range of highly pigmented and easy to blend eyeshadow shades in tempting hues for ultra glamorous makeup looks. The formulation of the eyeshadows is enriched with vitamin E, and this retails for $28. Like trying every bit not to like dip into this purple called Edible Gem. Oh, this looks gorgeous. This has little hints of gold glitter. Dip into liquid center. Wow. That is just stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and play around with these products. Then I'll be back for my final thoughts on the April BOXYCHARM. Let's actually swipe this eyeliner really quickly, and no, it's completely wiping off. I've already applied concealer and powder to my eyes as my base. Let's actually go in with Start Soft, and we're gonna pop this right into the socket area. Whoa, that is pigmented. I was not expecting that. Completely forgot to put on my beat bib. Let's go in with Finish Sensual Muted Brown. Just want to go like right over top, like right on the ends, just to really help blend and fade this color. Go in with Edible Gem. It's purple with gold flecks. Drag this right onto the outer corners. Take a blending brush and just blend these edges. Take a little bit more of Edible Gem. Place this over again because we really want to intensify this color. Then let's blend it out again. For the lid color, I don't think I want to go in with any shimmer. I'm thinking maybe just like a matte shadow, but I want a little bit of a pop. Aftertaste, which is this really, really pretty matte peach color. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Right, and let's just pop this right onto the empty space on the lid. These shadows are actually really surprising me, just like with the pigmentation. They're really pigmented and they blend out beautifully. I'm gonna go back in with the shading brush and a little bit of Edible Gem, and I'm just gonna fade a little bit of this into this color called Aftertaste, just so that it gradiates. We don't want any harsh lines. Let's actually take a bit of Start Soft, and we're just going to work this right into this socket area. We're just gonna blend all of these edges. Go in with the eye shading brush, a bit of Universal Delight, which is a little bit more of like this taupey color, and we're just gonna hit this right onto the brow bone. Blending brush and just blend all of this together. So I think that's good. Let's take off the tape. Yeah. So I went ahead and applied my liner, lashes, mascara, and some blush, and just, you know, sharpened up my contour a bit, but we are still gonna work on the eyes, and I hope this goes well. I think we're actually gonna go in with the Illuminati gel paint in electric pink. I want to put this like in my waterline. I'm hoping that it will be okay. Okay, I guess it works. I used my angle brush earlier. It has some concealer, but hopefully just wipe that off. I want to go in with a bit of Aftertaste, that really pretty peachy color, peachy corally color, and we're just going to drag this right over top just to kind of set it. I just don't want this to smear. For the inner eye corners, I really want to go in with Almost Burnt, which is this really pretty shimmery champagne color, just to kind of brighten up the eyes a little bit. Just go in with a pencil brush and then go over that, just so that we can intensify it a little bit more. Now we're going to use the iconic London Illuminator, and I'm thinking how we want to do this because I don't want to put too much. Just go in with a damp sponge and just kind of press it into the skin. Ooh, that's a bunch of highlight. That's a lot of highlight. It gives you more of a subtle glow. Just added a little bit more. So now I can finally go ahead and hit my bottom lashes with a coat of mascara. Okay, so this is the look we ended up curating using the items from the April BOXYCHARM. So let's kind of do a little recap of all the items that we received and, you know, my thoughts on each of the items. I think I even forgot to mention that this month's theme is called Festival Vibes, and I have box number 12 or version number 12. Zoeva Caramel Melange palette. Oh my goodness, this palette, I know for sure this is a palette I am going to get so much use out of. Absolutely love the color scheme in here. Love how there's some shimmers, some mattes. It's definitely a palette that I know I gravitate towards. Now I know why so many people rave about Zoeva products, and I'm just ecstatic that this was in my box. Professional pore primer. Like I said, this was in my March obsessions. Now I have a backup of it. Then we have the 5-set brushes from Lavish, and these actually really surprised me. I wasn't sure how I would feel about them just because the bristles aren't very dense, but they actually work quite well. This one, especially the eye shading brush, this worked beautifully when I was kind of dragging a bit of edible gem right onto the outer corners. It really did pack a punch. It wasn't streaky, it wasn't patchy. I was really glad that they were in my box. 2 gel paint liners from the brand Illuminati. Also really surprised with the pigmentation of the electric pink. I was thinking it wouldn't be as pigmented, especially once I put it on my waterline, but no, the intensity is still the same. When you come up close to me, you could definitely see that electric pink. I'm really excited to actually play around with the electric blue because this will be a great one, especially for spring and also the summer season. We have the iconic London Illuminator. And to be honest with you, this illuminator made me remember why I love liquid illuminators, liquid highlighters in general. I actually stopped using liquid highlighters for quite some time. Really just press this into the skin, really blend it in, and you get this gorgeous, gorgeous glow. I don't necessarily think I will be mixing this with my moisturizers or my foundations, but using this as a highlighter, I know I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this. So let me know your thoughts on the April BOXYCHARM. Did we receive the same items? Did we get completely different things? I would love to get your feedback, and also let me know, what did you think of the look that we curated today? I hope you enjoyed hanging out today. I hope you are all well, staying safe, healthy, and just sending you guys positive vibes and a big virtual hug. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.